2016 Honda RECON. It had a bad crank in it, so we were running low on oil, so I put a new bottom end on it. And not a new one, I used one that had a tight rod on it. The bearings were good. I used all the original outer casings, and I used the original cylinder and head top end. But I noticed that the cylinder had some skirt wear from the piston at the bottom of the cylinder, and the piston had some wear on the sides of it, and I was afraid when I put together it would peck or something. I'm not sure. I've never heard of I'm thinking say that cylinder skirt. Here one's album. Very good gas, it goes away. Got the piston slapping around the bottom area, or towards the bottom of the cylinder. I'm not sure. Comment below if you know. Thank you. And the valves are tight. I've adjusted them numerous times. I never could get the tick to go away.